Hi, I'm Tim.
Hi, I'm Edna. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hi everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
If you are looking for insight and tools to rise as a parent, you are in the right place.
As some of you may already know, Tim and I have worked together professionally with children and their families for over 20 years, and we love sharing our journey and experience with viewers like you.
We also started this YouTube channel to help raise funds for our outreach. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to learn more about the essential work we do.
So, without further ado, let's get started.
How to keep trick-or-treaters safe on Halloween night. Halloween is one of the most fun holidays of the year for children, but it can also be pretty dangerous. We live in a society where many people are on high alert for potential threats, especially on Halloween night. Whether you're a child or an adult, it's important to prepare in advance for any potential dangers that may come your way after dark. Be sure to watch the end of this video to see 6 great tools to make trick-or-treating fun and safe. Here are 11 safety tips you can use to help your child have a more enjoyable and safe experience this holiday. 1. Costumes. Make sure the costumes and masks you're wearing aren't flammable. Make sure the costumes are well-fitting. To avoid tripping, hems should be well above the ground, and children should have complete range of motion. 2. Visibility. Because dark colors are more difficult to notice at night, have your children dress up in bright costumes or add reflecting accessories to dark outfits. 3. Break out the makeup. Face paint can be used to give the same effect as masks because masks can obstruct vision. But first, put it to the test. Make sure your youngster doesn't have a skin reaction to the face paint before the big day. And, of course, before snuggling them into bed, make sure they've washed it all off. 4. Choose non-flammable fabrics. Because real candles are frequently used in jack-o'-lanterns, choose costumes made entirely of synthetic fabrics such as nylon, polyester, and acrylic, rather than loose capes and sparkly cloth, which are more combustible. To reduce the risk, use a battery-powered tea light or LED candle to light your own pumpkin. 5. Younger children. Trick-or-treaters under the age of 12 should be accompanied by an adult. Put a piece of paper with your child's name, address, and phone number inside your child's pocket in case you get separated. 6. Older children. Encourage older children to trick-or-treat with their older siblings, parents, or friends. Verify that at least one member of the group has a flashlight with fresh batteries. Older children should travel in groups, stick to a route agreed upon with their parents, check in on a regular basis via phone, and have a predetermined return time. 7. Set ground rules. Plan a predictable route and a curfew if your youngster will be trick-or-treating without you. Review the safety requirements, which include sticking with the group, walking only on the sidewalk, approaching only well-lit homes with Halloween decorations on display, and never entering inside a house or automobile for a treat. Allow your child to carry a cell phone and be sure that they understand how to use the flashlight feature so that they can see in the dark. 8. Follow the rules of the road. Set a positive example by crossing the street only at designated crosswalks. If you're driving in a residential area, go slowly. 9. Inspect treats before indulging. Allowing your child to eat while trick-or-treating is not a good idea. Before leaving the house, feed your child a light meal. Inspect the treats before they are eaten. Throw away anything that isn't sealed, has damaged packaging, or appears to be compromised. If you have young children, weed out gum, peanuts, hard candies, and other choking hazards. Check candy labels carefully if your child has food allergies. 10. Ration the treats. Consider giving out a few pieces at a time if your child has a lot of treats. You may ask your child if he or she wants to exchange some, or all, of the candy for something else, like a toy, book, or outing. 11. Brush up. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Cavities are sure to happen if you eat sweet treats. Ensure that the children brush their teeth before going to bed. Here are 6 great tools from Amazon to make trick-or-treating fun and safe. 1. 3M reflective waterproof stickers. 2. Lightweights clothing reflective stickers. 3. Mini USB rechargeable flashlight. 4. Rechargeable mini waterproof flashlight. 5. Kangaroo family makeup kit. 6. Super Value family makeup kit. I will have the Amazon links to these items in this video description below. Every purchase you make through our Amazon links helps to support selfless outreach and the essential work we do. This concludes how to keep trick-or-treaters safe on Halloween night. Thank you for watching.
We hope you found this video helpful.
Please subscribe for more insightful parenting videos.
And remember, to be the parents we want to be for our children, we as parents must love, learn, and rise. Tim and I started this YouTube channel for 2 reasons. First and foremost, to support parents by sharing our vast knowledge of caring for children. And second, to help fund our charity, selflessoutreach.org. We are an independent outreach and we do not receive any state or federal funding. We rely on our own personal income and fundraising efforts. So, what does Selfless Outreach do? We deliver free food and free basic living supplies to the underserved. We serve the people that can't get to the food banks or other sources of support that they so desperately need. We serve seniors with limited mobility, individuals with disabilities, veterans, transitional housing, and the homeless. Every month we serve hundreds of homes and individuals. So, in order to help fund Selfless Outreach, we became an official Amazon affiliate. Which means we can earn commission on all your Amazon orders without any additional cost to you. All the Amazon links in this video description will bring you straight to the official Amazon website and will never increase the price of the product you choose. Just click on the Amazon product you choose from this video description and add it to your Amazon shopping cart just before you proceed to checkout. So, turn your next Amazon order into a charitable contribution at no additional cost to you. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
And give this video a thumbs up.